Imagine this. A man who built the first real motion picture camera steps onto a train. He is on his way to change history. The train arrives. Everyone gets off. Except him. He is never seen again. Louis Le Prince was not chasing fame. He was chasing a problem. In the late 1800s, photography could freeze a moment, but it could not show life. Le Prince wanted movement, real movement, captured, controlled, repeated. He wasn't a showman. He wasn't a businessman. He was an engineer. He worked with lenses, mechanics, and timing, not theories, machines. While others experimented with multiple lenses and visual tricks, he focused on one simple idea: one lens, one strip of film, a mechanism that could move it smoothly. That decision changed everything. By the late 1880s, Louis Le Prince held patents in both Britain and the United States. Not concepts, not sketches, working systems, legal protection. He wasn't guessing anymore. He was ready to prove it. In 1888, Le Prince built a single-lens motion picture camera. With it, he recorded short films, everyday scenes, people walking, gardens moving in the wind. Today, historians consider these the earliest true motion pictures ever made, not experiments, films. Le Prince knew one thing: if he wanted history to remember him, he had to show the world. New York was the center of technology, business, and attention. That's where patents were challenged. That's where inventions became industries. He planned a public demonstration. Once it happened, the question of who invented cinema would be settled. In September 1890, Louis Le Prince boarded a train traveling from Dijon to Paris. From Paris, he would continue toward his final journey and then to New York. Witnesses saw him board. His luggage was with him. There was no argument, no struggle, no warning. The train arrived. Louis Le Prince did not. His body was never found. His luggage was never found. No witness saw him leave the train. No one saw him fall. No one saw him fight. Police searched. Railways searched. Nothing. He vanished. Some suggested suicide. There was no evidence. Others suggested he ran away. But his patents were active. His demonstration was planned. His future was set. He had everything to gain and nothing to escape from. 3 years later, in 1893, Thomas Edison publicly claimed himself as the inventor of motion pictures. That same year, Edison opened America's first film studio, Black Maria. History followed the survivor, not the first. Louis Le Prince did not lose because his invention failed. He lost because he disappeared. Cinema was not born in a lab, it was born in a race. And the man who crossed the finish line was not the man who started first. Some inventions change the world. Others disappear before they get the chance. Louis Le Prince stepped onto a train to prove he was first, and history stepped off without him.